the center of the circle is O. The center is O. Then the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. So the radius, the distance from here to here, also the distance from here to here is 5 centimeters. Okay, then we have the chord. AB is a chord, right? Then here the meeting point, this is M. Then we have the point C here. This is C. So it's given the radius is 5 centimeters. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. So they say this length is equal to this length equal to how much? 6 centimeters. So this is equal to 6 centimeters and the radius is 5 centimeters. So you are supposed to find the length of BC. So length from here to here. Oh, it's also given the length from here to here is equal to here to here. So you know from the theorem, you know this is perpendicular, right? Because this is the midpoint. This is the center. This is the line drawn from the center to the chord, and they say it is equal length. So you know this is going to be 90 degrees. The opposite, the reverse of the theorem we learned. So now, what can you say? You can say this is, you can say BMO angle equal to 90 degrees. So you can say the reason. For the reason, you can write the theorem, right? I'm not going to write the theorem. The theorem is the line drawn from the center to the midpoint of the chord is going to be perpendicular. So this is going to be perpendicular. That's why it is equal to 90 degrees. So if it is 90 degrees, you can take OM as x, right? So you can write let OM equal to x. Then how to find BM? BM will be by using Pythagoras. You can write BM squared is equal to 5 squared minus x squared. Okay. So we will keep it aside.
Sir.
Yes.
So OM can't be take 5 divided by 2 whole thing here.
5 divided by 2. How can it be 5 divided by 2? OM. How can it be 5 divided by 2?
So radius 5.
The radius is 5, but it is not bisecting each other, right? How can you know whether it's bisecting? How do you know whether this length is equal to this length? Then you will, so you get my point, right? You don't know whether this length is equal to this length, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you will name this equation as 1. Now this is, this is x, right? So we name OM as x. So if you name OM as x, what is this length? AM.
5 minus x.
Yes, then AM is equal to 5 minus x, right? Then again you can use Pythagoras, hypotenuse and side, to find BM. So you can write BM squared equal to what? BM squared is going to the hypotenuse squared, the 6 squared minus 5 minus x squared, right? So when you simplify, you will get 36. 6 squared is 36 minus 5 squared, 25 minus 10x plus x squared. So it is going to be 36 minus 25, which is 11. Then
How 10x plus x squared is?
10x. Yeah, you square this. How can you square it? 5 minus x whole thing square. First term square, 25. First term into second term into 2. So that is, first term is 5 into second term is minus x into 2. First term into second term into 2. So it is going to be 10x. So it is going to be minus 10x and the last term square, that is x square, right? That is this, like under quadratic you should have learned. So you will get 25 minus 10x plus x square. That's how you got it. Okay. This one. 5 minus x square is equal to this.
Okay.
So you will get 36. Then minus will go inside, right? So this 36 minus 25 is 11. Minus into minus plus. So you will get plus 10x. Minus into minus is minus x square. So you have another equation. Bm square, right? This is equation 2. So now you have two equations for Bm squared, right? One is Bm squared is equal to 5 squared minus x squared. The other equation is Bm squared equal to 11 plus 10x minus x squared. So you have two equations. Then can you find x by using these two equations? You can write, I will write here. You can write equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Why? This is also Bm squared, this is also Bm squared, right? So I will try to find I will try to find x first. So it is going to be equal to this one. Equation 1 is 5 squared minus x squared. 5 squared minus x squared is going to be equal to equation 2, which is 11 plus 10x minus x squared. So 11 plus 10x minus x squared. Then what can you say? X squared minus x squared on two sides. So cancel off, right? Or else if you take this one to this side, it is going to be plus x squared. So minus x squared plus x squared cancel off. Then you have this side, you have 25. So right, 5 squared means 25. Then you take 11 to the other side. Minus 11 is equal to 10x. Then 25 minus 11 is how much? 14, right? Then equal to 10x. Then x is going to be equal to 14 divided by 10, which is 1.4 centimeters. So x is 1.4 centimeters. Now this 1.4 centimeters or 7 divided by 5. So I told you try to use fractions always, right? So this is going to be 7 over 5. So you can use this 7 over 5 here in this equation to find Bm. So that is what asked, right? Bm. Sorry, BC. Sorry, BC. You need to find BC. Yeah, if you find Bm is going to be, you can find Bm by using this. Then you know it is going to be twice of Bm, 2Bm. If you multiply the value of Bm by 2, you are going to get the value of BC. Okay, write this down first. I will do the rest. So now you can substitute here. So let me erase. I will erase which part? Let me erase the top part. Okay. So from equation 1, which is this one, I can get Bm squared equal to what? 5 squared, which is 25 minus x squared. X squared means 7 over 5. So 7 over 5, right? Squared. So you will get 25 minus 7 squared. 7 squared is how much? 49 over 25. So you can get the common denominator. 25 into 25, 625 minus 49. So when you simplify this, so can I erase this part? So instead of that, let us simplify this, okay? So here if I take the common denominator 25, here I have 25 squared, right? Minus 49, right? So this one I can write 25 squared minus 7 squared over 5 squared, right? Then you can see a difference of 2 squares, right? So you have learned the difference of 2 squares. So here 25 squared minus 7. So you can write this 25 minus 7 into 25 plus 7 divided by 5 square. So 25 minus 7 is 25 minus 7 is 18 into 25 plus 7 is 32. Okay, so here you have 25 minus 7 is 18, 25 plus 7 is 32, divide by 5 square, right? 5 square. Then this 18 you can write 9 into, I'm just telling a shortcut, I mean easy way to simplify. So 9 into 2, 18 is 9 into 2, plus here also you can write 32, 2 into 16, divide by 5 square, right? So this thing shortly you can write 9 is 3 squared into 2 into 2 is 4 squared into 16 means, let me write it here. So here you can write 9 is 3 squared into 2 into 2 is 2 squared into 16 is 4 squared, divide by 5 squared. So you have everything square terms, right? And this is bm squared. Now what you do? You take the square root of both sides. Bm is going to be equal to square root of this everything. So all the squares will cancel. Here also we have a square, 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 which means 3 into 2 into 4 divided by 5. So bm is going to be equal to 4.8 centimeters. So this is why I told you. So if you just simplified at this point, if you use the decimal at this point, you cannot do this. You will have to find the square root. To find the square root, you will have to use log. So using log will take you more time. So look, this is without a log, you did this, right? So there may be some cases where you need to find the square roots of different numbers. It won't be the same case every time, but most of the time in all levels, they will give easy to simplify questions. So here you have bm equal to 4.8. So you know bc is going to be twice of that, 4.8 into 2, which is 9.6 centimeters. That is your answer.